So, good day. I'm Edward Vincent S. Mosquera, and today I'm going to tackle or teach you how to install VMware on Linux machine. So, the platform that we're going to use is VMware. So VMware is a platform that provides a service that let you have a operating system virtually through their service, and the importance in virtualization is it enables businesses and individuals to run multiple operating system in a single physical machine like my laptop. So, and also it helps, or the technology helps us a cost effective, because we don't need to have a physical machine to run another operating system, but instead, so we can have a virtual machine to have a multiple operating system. And I'm going to teach you how to install the VMware. So first is we are going to search for VMware Download Pro and click this desktop hypervisor solution. And then you can see this download Fusion or Workstation. Just click this. So we will be redirect to Broadcom, because Broadcom is a platform where the VMware hosts their downloaded file. So we are going to create a new account. So just click the register. So I'm going to enter the 3 ELMB. Next. Mosquera, Philippines, development. So the password is I'll do it later. And then once we have a account, we can exit this and go back to this sign in. So I have a username or email, so just input this and your password. So this is the page what we can see first, and right now we should go to my dashboard, because this is where we download the VMware Pro. And just search the VMware Workstation Pro. Then click this and go to the bottom and we can see, and we can see Workstation Pro and Fusion. So this Fusion is for Mac OS. So if you have a Mac OS, so just click this. But if you have a Windows or Linux operating system, just click this. So in my case, I have a Linux, so I'm going to click this. And I'm going to click this Pro 17.0 for Linux. But if you have Windows, you can click this and just choose the latest version of the VMware. So in my case, currently they have 17.6.2, so I'm going to choose this. And just click this. So at first we're going to I agree to the terms and condition, and click this and just click yes, because we have a screening that we must comply to download the VMware. Fields, Butuan City, Busan del Norte, and submit. Yeah. So once we're done, we just click this button at the right, and then we will have a installation of the VMware machine. So right now we have successfully or finished the downloading. So but next, so since I have a Debian Linux, I have a steps that I must follow. So we can search for wiki debian.org and VMware. Here is this. So in my case, if we search for VMware, it is now executable because I did input this command, and also I installed it already. So to install it, so just copy this, and right now we are going to install a required packages. Yes. And now we can run the VMware. Run VMware. install. Authenticate. Module. And as you can see, this is the workstation, VMware workstation. So I accept. Wait. So just click next. I accept the terms, and I accept. Will you check for product updates on startup? No. Yes. Yes. Join VMware product. No. And finish. So here, this is our virtual machine. So, but first, we need to have a Linux OS. So what I'm going to use, the other operating system that I'm going to use in VMware is Linux. So to install a Linux or Kali Linux. So to install a Kali Linux image, I just go here and go to installer image and just scroll down, and you can see scroll down and you can see a option. So I do have a VMware, so I'm going to click this. But if you have a virtual box, you just have to click this. So in my case, I have a VMware, so I'm going to click this. So I will be back once the Kali Linux is installed. So I have now downloaded the Kali Linux. So if you go to our terminal, and then grep and Kali. So we have two. So we are going to focus this, because this is the this is from VMware here on what we click. So but this is in a 7-zip, so we are going to unzip it. So 7 unzip for VMware and 7-zip Kali VMware. Wait, jump pag 7-zip unzip Linux. So we are going to install this first. So once we install it, then copy this, or no, we can type cx and Kali VMware. So it is now extracting. and once we finish extracting this Kali Linux image, we can then use it to our virtual machine. So I think I will be back because this will take a minute, I think. So we have now finished installing or extracting rather the Kali Linux. So we are going to find it. Get Kali. As you can see, we have a folder of this. So we are going to check it. Kali, and this is all the content of the Kali Linux. Right now we are going to go to VMware and open a virtual machine. Go to the downloads and this Kali Linux and this file. So this is what we would see if it is successfully using the Kali Linux in VMware. As you can see in devices, we have a 2 GB that allocated, a processor of 4, a hard disk of 80 GB, and if we want to edit this, we can edit virtual machine settings. But first I'm going to check if okay, we're going to check allocate, so to create virtual machine so yeah, I think that is good. But if we want to, let's say we want to allocate a 4 GB, so we can just adjust this and save, and then as you can see, it is now 4.6 GB. And if you want to run it right now, so just click this start up this guest operating system. Okay, walang device connected to virtual machine. Okay, so we should wait. So this is the Kali Linux. So this is Linux operating system. So it is focused for penetration testing or for other things. So to log in, we can access the Kali to root and password root, ROOT, and log in. So the username and password is not root rather, but it is Kali and Kali. So we can log in, and so yeah, it is now working. So if we can test, so Kali. So as you can see, this is now working. Now to check if it is actually working, so we are going to open the Firefox So as you can see, it is working. And if you want to YouTube, we can visit the YouTube. So yeah, I think that's it. And this is the tutorial for how to install the VMware and how to have a operating system inside the virtual machine. So that's it, and thank you.